What is going on, guys? We are back. We have the Subaru in the garage today. We're going to be doing some pretty simple things to it. Basically just getting it ready for a tune. We got the new motor in. We've got everything going on. So all I have to do is find the box of parts that I just had, and I will show you what we are getting into today. So we will be installing the rest of the Pro Tune stuff. We have Torque Solutions, EGR delete kit for the WRX and Forester XT. That's going to be hopefully pretty simple, not too much sure about that one. And then we have the Perrin TGV delete. This is the other very important one. Haven't unboxed any of this, but this is a quick look at it as it's sitting in the engine bay. Just some pretty simple stuff. It says it takes about, I think, 2 to 3 hours to install, so hopefully we will get this done pretty quick. I still plan on doing a top mount, and I plan on doing a couple other things like an AOS and everything else in the near future. But for now, we are going to install this today, and hopefully it all goes smooth. And then again, I will keep you guys updated on the tune. We have a blow-off valve. That's an aftermarket one already. I bought the car with a few mods as it was, so here we go. Let's jump into it. Just doing this. So, as you can see, it is right there with the, here, let me put this down. It's right here. Hose going to it right there in my hands. I'll be going to the Turbo Smart one. And then it bolts in back here into the charge pipe. Goes in to the inlet. So let's get it done. Let's just get it done. Way too big for it. Alright, so I got it out. On the left here is the turbo access. I have taken it out before, but there's the logo and everything. I just couldn't remember which one it was, which is kind of funny because actually I was going to buy this one. The shop that is working on my vehicle suggested the Turbo Smart one, said that they have really good luck with that. So for tuning purposes and just making sure everything goes as good as it can, I went with their suggestion. Got it for much cheaper than they could anyways, so that's why I'm installing it myself as well. I'm a huge DIYer. I try to install everything myself. My dad's taught me a lot, so that's why we are here. I don't know why, but for some reason, either because it's cold or just because it doesn't get taken off very often, this was fighting me very badly. That's why I just said that I was going to show you guys once it was out. But other than that, it looks like it'll be a pretty simple swap. Hopefully this goes well because I got to get going on this and I got to get this done. If you guys want to see everything that comes with, a bunch of different websites show all of this. Right now, my channel's definitely not going to be going to be showing you guys all that. They come with this hose clamps, some pieces to make it go from smaller to bigger hose, just a bunch of stuff. This is a block off, so you can either go full dump, so you take out this side, or you can take out this side and have it just full recirculating. It's up to you guys. If you guys are doing it yourself, that's just a suggestion I have. I'm gonna throw this back in the car, and then we're gonna get on to the next thing. So, bye. All right, so the blow-off valve is installed down there. My finger's like right above the atmospheric dump part of it. Now the rest of it is the TGV delete, which is right here. Where's my finger? Wow, sorry, this is a GoPro and it's way darker than it looks. Basically right there, and you grab a flashlight. We'll be deleting that part of it. That little non-black colored, aluminum colored. We'll be deleting that part of it. And here we go. I'm probably going to either do a time lapse or something of it. The GoPro battery is dying rather quickly, so it wasn't what I expected. But we're moving along. That took me about, I'd say probably half an hour. A little bit longer than I expected, but that's alright. Sometimes, as everyone knows, cars don't go the way we plan them. So, here we are on to the next one. Alright guys, so next up is the TGV delete, and then we'll do the EGR delete after that. Again, I'm going to try and show you guys as much of this as possible. The GoPro battery is dying, but basically all you're doing is you're taking that out as I showed before, and we're just going to be putting in the, I believe it's Perrin. Not sure how you guys want to pronounce it, but it's just these black ones, so it'll look really good. Should look really clean. But we'll go ahead. I'm going to take them out. Again, with the GoPro battery almost being dead, unfortunately I probably won't film these, but basically all it is a bunch of 12mm bolts right there, right there, right there. There's one on the back side, and then you go ahead and you can lift this up a little bit and slide these in and take out the TGV deletes. So I'm gonna let the GoPro battery charge a little bit, and then I will show you guys the difference between the factory TGV and the TGV deleted piece, basically the spacer. So I'll update you guys in just a second. Alright guys, so we just charged the GoPro battery quite a bit. Actually surprised on that. Watching the video real quick, we just got done with the TGV delete. It's actually super simple. There was a video out there that Dustin Williams did. He went out to, I can't remember exactly, but basically all they did was pretty simple. They used this little spot right here, and they just kind of pry up, and then they slide out the TGV delete, which is right there. It's black now, so you can't see it as well. And then this side's even easier. Obviously, again, it's also now black, so you guys can't see it as well from without light. But now I'm working on the EGR delete, which basically already we have this piece out. We took both of those out. You have to take the intercooler off. We are going to be upgrading that later, but not quite yet. We are doing this. So yeah, I'm going to delete this. Perrin says that this takes about 3 hours to do. I did it, and I think it took me like half an hour. I'm not going to say I did it the right way. Might have done it a cheater way, but Other than that, it seemed pretty simple. Where do I have the plugs somewhere for the TGV, and I have to, where is the TGV? Alright, so this I believe is the TGV plug. I'm gonna buy the plug from Subi Bros, I believe it is, that caps those. I don't know if it does anything special with it, but it basically just caps those. And then we'll be going from there. So yeah, let me knock out this EGR delete real quick. Like I said, we already put the turbo in, or the turbo smart blow off valve. We did the TGV delete, which is only the upper TGV delete. We did not do the lower. We will be doing the lower in the future. We might even replace it just with one whole unit. I think IBR and a couple other ones make a whole entire like 3-4 inch unit that replaces and makes it all one piece. But we will be doing that in the future. But yeah, for right now, let's just get this EGR delete off, and then we will be done for the night, and it can go get tuned tomorrow. So sounds like a plan. I will update you guys when we get it out. There's a bunch of videos on the internet of how to get it out, with the GoPro battery and everything. I just don't really have an easy way to get in there and show you guys, but we're doing it. It's pretty simple so far, so I will update you guys when everything is finished. Alright, sounds cool. Alright guys, so I just finished up all of the pieces I was going to do tonight. So like I just stated in the last clip, I have the Turbo Smart Blow-Off valve installed. I have the Perrin, or Perrin, however you want to say that, TGV deletes done, and then I also just got finished doing the Torque Solutions EGR delete, which takes out quite a bit of stuff. I mean, it takes out this, that piece, and this. So as long as you understand that, you know, things are forever going to be removed, or are going to be removed from this, you can always bolt them back on. There was nothing permanently done. I was told that it is going to leave a check engine light. I'm not sure if the TGV delete alone does a check engine light, but I do know that the